Really? Olympics? Ganun? Like, what the fuck? Diba what's going on Olympics is a sport event? Merong competition about sports? Pero dapat di ba yung opening ng Olympics mismo dapat related or at least man lang merong relation doon sa events sa Olympics? But what happened here? This is an insult. Okay, okay, I am not against with the LGBTQ+, ganun. Pero this is mockery. Yeah, this is mockery. Sa suot pa lang nila, kitang-kita mo na mockery talaga ito. What the fuck? Bakit pinayagan ito ng management ng Olympics? Or sila mismo yung may pakana nito? Yung management mismo? Wala ba sila ditong measurement about sa effect nito ng opening nila mismo? Diba? Diba inisip dapat nila yun? Kung makakapekto ito or hindi. Pero yun lang yung masasabi nyo dito. Okay ba to?